This yacht should not exist. A glass-bottom infinity pool floating over the ocean, a private nightclub hidden below deck, and a master bedroom where the entire ceiling opens up to the night sky. This is the Lursen Elysium 130, a 130-meter monster worth $780 million. And trust me, every single dollar is justified. So let's step inside. From the outside, this thing looks terrifying. The hull is finished in deep metallic midnight black with razor-sharp aggressive lines running bow to stern like a military stealth ship. The superstructure rises 5 decks high, wrapped entirely in tinted glass panels that shift color from ocean blue to liquid silver depending on sunlight. At the back, a massive hydraulic platform drops down to the water, revealing a private garage with 2 tenders, 3 jet skis, and yes, a custom-built submarine. And sitting on top of everything is a helipad with LED lighting embedded into the surface. The silhouette alone is worth millions. Now step through the main entrance and your entire reality changes. You're standing in a triple-height grand lobby with a floating spiral staircase wrapped in white leather and champagne gold railings. The floor beneath you is Italian Calicotta marble with veins of real 24-karat gold running through it. Ahead of you is the main salon, stretching over 200 square meters with floor-to-ceiling glass on both sides, giving you a complete panoramic ocean view. Cream-colored custom sofas, a hand-carved onyx coffee table, a chandelier above made from 12,000 crystal pieces, and on the far wall an 8-meter seamless LED screen built directly into the wall. This one room is bigger than most people's entire homes. Now where you sleep on this thing is where it gets crazy. There are 8 guest suites, each at 45 square meters, every single one with its own private balcony, king-size bed, European oak floors, and a full bathroom with heated marble floors, rain shower, deep soaking tub, and a private steam room. But each suite has a completely different design theme. One feels like the Arctic with icy blue and white tones, another feels like the Sahara with warm sand textures. But forget the guest suites, because the owner's suite is something else entirely. It takes up an entire deck at over 300 square meters. You access it through a private elevator with biometric fingerprint scan. Inside, there's a king bed on a raised platform facing a curved glass wall wrapping 270 degrees around the bow. So you wake up surrounded by nothing but open ocean. And here's the insane part. The ceiling above the bed is a fully retractable glass roof. One button and the panels slide open and you're staring at stars from your bed. The bathroom has a freestanding bathtub placed directly against the glass wall, so you're literally soaking while watching the sun set over the water. The dining room seats 18 guests around a single table carved from solid Cerakote wood, one of the rarest on Earth. Above it, a Murano glass chandelier shaped like frozen water droplets. Walls are backlit onyx panels glowing warm amber, making it feel like a temple. Every setting is Christofel silverware and Hermes tableware. Behind the scenes, a full commercial kitchen with 4 chefs, a wine cellar with over 800 bottles, a sake collection, a raw bar for sashimi and oysters. You want a 12-course Michelin meal at 2 a.m. in the middle of the Mediterranean. Done. Now the entertainment. Deck 2 has a private cinema, 12 reclining leather seats, Dolby Atmos, 6-meter laser screen, popcorn bar in the back. Go 1 deck lower, and there's a full private nightclub, soundproofed, DJ booth, 5,000 LED lights on the ceiling, a bar with a transparent ice-filled countertop, and a dance floor that pulses with the music. But the one feature nobody can believe is the glass-bottom infinity pool on deck 4 that extends 3 meters out over the edge of the yacht. The bottom is completely see-through, so you're swimming and looking straight down into the deep ocean. At night, underwater LEDs light up the sea below, and it is absolutely unreal. There's also a full spa with a Turkish hammam, cryo chamber, yoga studio with a glass floor over the ocean, and a gym with panoramic views. Powering all of this are quad MTU engines producing 45,000 horsepower, top speed 22 knots, cruising range 7,000 nautical miles, 0-speed stabilizers so you sleep like a baby at anchor, and a full AI smart system controlling lights, climate, entertainment, security, everything from one tablet or voice command. Crew of 40 including private security. Total build cost $780 million. This is the Lursen Elysium 130, not a yacht, a floating civilization.